Alright guys, so what we got here is a valve cover. We're gonna be installing this on the engine. It's ready to install. So make sure get a brand new gasket. Okay, and then you're gonna need a silicone. That silicone is to put silicone in between the head and the timing cover. Put dabs on there and put dabs over here. So 2 on each head. There's 2 over here. So when those are dry, about 3 to 4 minutes, it's time to install the cover. So there's a sequence. There's a sequence on this bolts here to tighten them up. It's bolts all around it. So on that is a 89 inch pound, and then you're gonna be torquing it down from outside to go inside crisscross. So it'll be from here, there, crisscross, and then now you're gonna do the one in the middle. This one right here with the oil cap is on the left bank. That would be close to the rad side, and then the one with the PCV hose stick out is the one on the right bank. That's the one close to the firewall. Alright, just hand tight on all these bolts. Let them seat on the hole. Okay.
What's gonna be next?
Alright guys, we're gonna have to, like, on the setting number 1, we're just gonna have to bottom up all those bolts. Alright, so that's when you're gonna have to torque this thing down to 89 inch pound, okay? Alright, so when that's done, make sure run down all the bolts straight across. Make sure that you don't miss anything. So start from the top. And then do it from the bottom. There you go. It's pretty easy. That's how it's done. Make sure you're on 89 inch pound, and then you do the procedure when you torque all the bolts crisscross. Start from the outside, work your inside. That's it, guys.